Okay guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to easily create Instagram stories like this. You can use your PC or phone, and this type of edit is really viral on social media. All of these designs are created by me, and you can check them out later. You'll find my Pinterest link in the description. So let's make a new one.
I picked one of my recent shots for this tutorial. Since this photo was shot in RAW mode, it looks pretty flat right now. I'll be using the Camera Raw filter to adjust the lighting and color correction. I'm showing it on PC, but mobile users won't have any problem because most of the tools are similar and you can easily follow along on your phone. I didn't plan in advance what type of color grading or filter I would apply, so I'm just experimenting to see what looks best. This photo was taken in very low light around evening, so I'll start by using the Curves tool to brighten the image and apply it selectively to the face with a mask. Next, I'll do skin retouching. I'm doing it the way that works for me, but there are many ways to do skin retouching, so feel free to adapt it to your style. I usually play some music while editing to stay relaxed, and since my workflow is slow, I've fast-forwarded parts of this video, but I hope it won't be hard to follow. Then I'll add a touch of red to the darker areas of the image using color balance. I'll mask it out from the face so it doesn't get too red. After that, I'll add highlights to the image, a technique I recently discovered, and it works really well. My sky is completely white, so I'll lightly add a sky background to make it look a bit dramatic. Then, to create the main focus, I'll add some typography. This makes your image look more aesthetic. An image tells a story, and these tips on top of it are like words describing that story. Depending on your image, you can even generate text using ChatGPT. I'll try different fonts and finalize the one I like best. I'm keeping the text minimal here, but you can add more if you want. Using emoji symbols or icons can make it look even better. Finally, I'll try to give the final image a cinematic color look. I hope this video has taught you something. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can check my social media links in the description. See you in another video. Goodbye, guys.